on insider knowledge and potentially causing Terra Luna to happen. It's not here or there. I told people about Terra Luna, and I thought it was going to go under many months before it did. There are multiple people that I could call, and they'd be like, "Yeah, you said that it wasn't sustainable." Which anything producing a 20% yield or more, I really need to understand the underlying mechanisms by which they're doing that. There are some people that do private credit that do very well. There's other people that I've seen have that type of return on real estate, if you're buying properties the right way. But at scale with billions of dollars to continue to generate 20%, and they were guaranteeing that on UST, it's really hard to put that much money to work and get that much alpha. As you add more and more capital, the opportunities that you're able to participate in and manage become much more cumbersome. So like as an example for you guys, you could find, multifamily deals in tertiary or secondary markets, kind of a fix and flip, put a pitched roof on it, upgrade things that are going on if they're an older property that was built in the 80s, and you could raise rents, especially if it's highly occupied, Those types of situations, you put $500,000 to $1 million into a property. Thank you, my wonderful wife with the tea. I will get it. Thank you. You put that much money in that property, and the equity goes up. You can raise rents, and the majority of those people are going to stick around. And now you have a very sustainable cash flowing property. And if you financed it right, if you bought it right, you're in a really good spot. If you get into primary markets for real estate, multifamily, you might be looking at 20, 50, 100 million, $300 million deals. You're really not going to get that type of return on those on an annual basis over the total term, or the 5 years or 6 years that you're going to hold that property, because you want the depreciation off of it to be able to offset the cash flows. That's the way a lot of those funds work. And they'll hold it to term, and they're looking for like a 20% return on the total property at the end of it. And that's assuming that, we're going to continue to see real estate values go up. There's a lot of people in the real estate space right now that are telling me that people are having a hard time selling properties at their asking price. They believe it's worth one thing, buyers believe it's worth something else. I think we're about to move into a buyer's market here in real estate. But